startups have to go through this particular tough decision as to what is their focus area, what is their area of strength, where exactly they need to have the best of talent. And around that talent is what becomes their area of focus. Whereas, everything in the world, we can say, this is not rocket science. Why can't I do it in-house? Very easy to challenge and very easy to say that let's do this particular software also developed in-house, or this particular machine also we actually blend it inside in the thing. We have the capability and competence to do it. However, you need to have a sharper focus. Do only things which are meant to be doing. In Bharti Airtel, we had an outsourcing model. In the outsourcing model, we knew only one thing. One thing that we knew was that we know what customers want. We understand customers. Anything beyond that, there is somebody else who can do it better. Who can do it better? How do you and when do you outsource it? My earlier boss, Akhil, has written a book recently called Some Sizes Fit All. This is for the CFOs of the businesses. And he's got a chapter that there are 3 principles on which you decide the outsourcing activity. First, the domain knowledge. Do we have the domain knowledge to be able to do that activity in-house? Second, will the best talent in the world come and work for you or your outsourcing partner? And third, who is in a best position to take the benefits of scale? You yourself or your partner? Now, if these are the 3 questions that need to be answered, let me give a simple example out here. We were thinking of outsourcing our IT to IBM. And our debate was, who's got the best domain knowledge? IBM. Who's got the ability to attract the best talent versus Airtel? It is IBM. And who's got the ability to negotiate the licenses and this computer software and hardware prices? Well, because of scale, it is IBM. So why should we be getting into that particular activity and do it by ourselves? Very, very simple decision. The moment you have parameters in your mind, you know where to focus. As Indian entrepreneurs, this is the biggest challenge. We all believe that we can do everything. The yesteryear companies, they would say, yeah, we travel a lot. We should have a ticketing company in-house. We advertise a lot. We should have an advertising company in-house. Oh, we have too many logistics and trucking activity. There is so much of money that our vendors are making in trucking. Let's start a trucking company. Now, these are, to my mind, old school thinking. You're not specialist of everything. Please keep these 3 factors in mind, and basis that decide when to outsource.